Hello everybody, Savage Gamer 1998 here, and I've got a unboxing for you guys. I think y'all might know what it is. So, I'm just gonna put my phone down and try to open this up with my trusty screwdriver. I was gonna have some guests, but I decided not to because the package just came late. Oh my gosh. Someone really taped this very well. Ugh. Alright. There. The box has been destroyed. I bet y'all can take a guess at what this is. Nope. Okay. Here's a Saturn controller. Looks to be a little yellowed, but not too held up on that. Now I've got a second controller for my Saturn. Alright, other thing. AV cables. Hope the AV cables work. I'll test them later. Here's the Japanese plug for this thing. Oh, and finally, the prize. Woo, woo. Oh. Oh, it's the battery cover. Huh. Wait a minute. Is it still okay? Okay, there it goes on. Oh. What? Huh. Oh, it's missing some screws. Ah, that's why. Okay. Yeah, Oh! A US copy of Sonic R. I completely forgot they were going to send that to me. See the condition of the disc. Okay, it's scratched up, but hopefully it plays. Okay. Yeah, even though I don't have a Japanese Saturn game right now. Reset button, power button, and yeah, I'm gonna put some screws in for this thing. Let me check and see if there's even any in the other screw. Oh no, there aren't! Wow! Well... But yeah, we do have a little yellowing on the system. I'm not too held up on that. Let's see what the... Okay, so even so, I still could try to power this on, because my Model 1 Saturn uses the same board as this. Or did they just replace it? No. They didn't replace it at all. Because I do have an American Sega Saturn. But... oh well. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye.